guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I will show you another interesting app. It is a Windows optimizer and it can make your PC be really fast as it scans many locations in your PC and deletes the junk files and other files. It has an interesting interface so you can check it out. It is called PC Manager and it is by Microsoft. It does have bugs from time to time because it is an open beta, but that shouldn't bother you that much. First, I'm going to show you how to download it and then how to use it. But before I do that, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and that like button if you enjoy my content. Now, let's get into the video. So if you want to download the app, the website is right here. It's called pcmanager.microsoft.com/n. You can see here the features and some images for every feature, one-click acceleration, system space management, comprehensive medical examination, and professional virus killing. You can just easily download it with this button here or with this button here. I'll link the website in the description, maybe you need the link there as well. Okay, so when you first open the app, you can see this right here. We're going to need to accept the end user license and other things, so let's just check this checkbox, and now we can just click on install for the app to actually install. Here we'll just need to wait. And now, when the installation is complete, we can just click launch now. And the app is just here. As you can see, its interface is really interesting, and you cannot make it full screen, so it's just on this side on the screen. And it's also an app that just lives in the system tray, so that's interesting, I guess. Alright, so here you can see some details about how much your memory is used and how many temporary files you've got. For example, as you can see, I have quite a lot of temporary files, so you can just click here on boost. This will boost your PC a lot, as you can see, and my memory usage also went down. Also, the temporary files are at 0 kilobytes now, so this app uses them as well, of course. Of course, it also has other features here. First, we've got health check. Here, it mostly scans for other files and for viruses. Also, it scans for startup apps, so you can just disable them here if you don't like them. I personally like them, so I'm just going to keep them. And you can just select here the files that you want to clean if it's anything that you don't like. For example, I don't like these things, so I'm just going to click on proceed here, and now it's done. The next feature here is storage management. We can perform a deep cleanup, but I'm not going to do that now. We can look for large files in the C drive. That's a really interesting feature, as it can help you delete files that make your C drive big. Here you can see the processes that use a lot of memory. For me, these are the processes that do use a pretty big amount of memory, but I'm not going to end that now. And here we can see the startup apps. We can just deactivate them here with a simple click if we don't like them, or you can even activate them, but that makes the things worse, of course. And there is also another tab here, which is security here. What this does is mostly it scans the PC for viruses and other things. It's mostly Windows Defender, so you can just click scan here, and it will scan most of the locations for viruses. Okay, so other than that, there is a Windows Update. You can just get updates for your PC just from here. You don't need to go to the settings. There is browser protection, which is really interesting, a feature that doesn't exist in most PC optimizers. It shows your current default browser, and it can also make the browser unchangeable by other apps, so that's really good. And last, it also has a pop-up management, and this can block the pop-ups that appear on certain websites, so this can be helpful as well. So yeah, that was mostly the video. In this video I showed you PC Manager, a really interesting app developed by Microsoft, which you can use to boost up your PC. See you soon, bye!